Hi, good morning. Julie here, and I wanted to talk to you about in a treatment to help the bags under your eyes. I am 52 years old now, and it's hereditary from my mom, and I have developed these bags under my eyes probably about 4 years ago. They started getting worse and worse. I've tried all kinds of eye creams, and I really haven't found anything to help with the bags besides probably having surgery, which I don't really have the finances right now for surgery, so I keep looking and searching for things that can help that. So I came upon this product. It's by Peter Thomas Roth. It looks like this, and it is it's basically a treatment to firm the eyes. And I bought this on, I think I bought this on, I'm trying to think. I'm not sure what site I bought this on actually, but you can get it online. It came with this little black brush, which I love this brush. This is the second time I purchased this product. The first time I purchased this product, I did not like it at all. In fact, I threw it away. So I started reading more about it and learning more about this product. The key to this product is do not put any whatsoever eye cream under your eyes at all. If you put eye cream under your eyes, it really doesn't work. Your eyes have to be clean with nothing underneath it. So remember that. And also, once you apply this product, you cannot put anything around the eyes. No cream, no moisturizer, or it will just ruin the effects. It doesn't last at all if you put anything underneath it. So what I do is I really pile the night cream on before I go to bed. I actually put one layer on, I let it absorb, and put another layer on. And in all truth, you guys, your skin heals the most while you sleep. So if you do this, I have not found my eyes to be too dry. My skin is kind of combination skin, but it has worked really well for me. So I'm going to show you how to use this product properly. So shake it up really good. I basically hit it on my hand. You want to really, really shake it quite a bit. I just kind of pound it onto my hands, shake it up good. And then once you've shaken it up really well, I put a little bit of dab on the back of my palm, probably about like that much. And then you want to get your brush, and I get my brush, I put the product all over my brush. I just kind of really rub it into my palm, as you can see, where I don't see it on my palm anymore. It's strictly on the brush. And unfortunately, you guys, I have bad vision since I've gotten older. I can't see up close anymore, so I'm going to be using a magnifying mirror to show you how you do it. So I hope you can see okay. But I basically grab the product and I just put it on my bags and I rub it in, like, I don't really rub it in, I just kind of dab it on smoothly. I go around all the bags, and this eye is a lot worse for some reason. My left eye is worse than my right, so I put it on a little heavier in this area and just put it all over the eye. It even actually helps with the little fine lines. I do go a little bit past the puffiness, just a little bit. And then I come over and do my right eye too. The right eye, again, is not as puffy as my left eye. I don't need as much product, but I go ahead and put it all over it too. Just kind of a little bit less. And I really, if you need a little bit more, get a little bit more. But I soak the brush pretty good. I'm probably using about a dime size, maybe a little less. And just put it all over the eye where it's puffy. Okay, and then that's pretty much it. You have to, I put my eyeshadow on first. You don't have to do that. I just did, so I didn't scare you guys in the morning because I just got out of the shower. As you can see, I have a lot of redness to my nose, and I really, really love Luminous Air Makeup. I use their whole system, airbrushing. And I actually can put a little of this moisturizer on, their airbrush moisturizer on before I use the Peter Thomas Roth's treatment. And I just kind of do the moisturizer all over, and then I wait and do my eyeshadow and wait till that really, really soaks in. And then I do the treatment, the firming eye gel cream. Again, I cannot stress enough, once this is on, it'll last. It'll last all day long, which I really love that. Your puffy eyes are not completely gone. I mean, I don't want to be misleading you guys, but they're gone a lot more than when you wake up in the morning. That is for sure. So let it completely dry. I just kind of don't really move a lot. Sometimes I'll go ahead and put this on first and then do my eye makeup under my top eye makeup, and then just let it while it's absorbing in. But usually I just kind of sit. Sometimes I even lay down on my bed for about 4 minutes till it's all dry, and that kind of even makes the, you know, your face is kind of going back like when you lay down, so it even helps it get even firmer. So basically I'm just sitting here and waiting for it to dry. And then after it dries, then I go in with my luminous makeup and I do my makeup. And luminous makeup is a water-based makeup, so there's not oils in it to mess up the firming process of this treatment. And as you guys, hopefully you can see, it's starting to dry, and my eyes are less puffy. And when I turn to the side, you'll see not a lot of bags anymore. This eye hardly has any because it doesn't have a lot anyways, compared to when I first started. And sometimes you'll find like a little bit of white residue from this product. So when it all dries and you see any whiteness, I just kind of take my finger and just buff it very lightly. They do suggest on the package to get a wet Q-tip. I don't do that. When it hits water, the puffiness comes back. So for me, I say no, don't do that. Just take your finger and buff it if there's any whiteness. And actually the whiteness is kind of good because it conceals. You don't need a concealer because the color kind of dries white. So basically I have a little bit of whiteness right here that's kind of a little too much. I just buff it out with my finger. And you don't have to do it hard, just kind of buff. I kind of blend it in this area a little bit because I don't want to remove it. I just put what I worked hard to have the effects of. And then that's about it. And then you can carry on with your makeup. I can't stress enough, don't put any concealer on your eyes now. Don't put any cream on your eyes or the puffiness will come back. Okay? I love this product. It helps for us that cannot afford to go get eye surgery because of the bags, and it turns back the clock a little bit. So I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. I know there's a lot of wonderful channels out there for makeup and hair, but there's not a whole lot with people who are getting a little bit older, and we have different issues than the 20-year-olds. I love you guys, and I hope you all have a wonderful Wednesday. Thank you. Bye.